Come test drive the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, remote engine start, remote power door locks, running boards, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.